Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download BingX application on your iOS device. To download the BingX cryptocurrency exchange platform, first of all go ahead and open your App Store. In the search box, type in BingX and search. Look for this application from BingX Limited and tap on the Get button to start downloading the app. Sign in with your Apple ID and your password, and you will be able to start downloading the app on your device. BingX is a cryptocurrency exchange platform known for spot trading, derivative trading, and social trading features. It is popular for its user-friendly interface and diverse asset offering. After waiting for a couple of minutes, tap the Open button so that the app can be opened up, and there you have successfully downloaded BingX application on your iOS device. You can now log into your existing account if you already have one, or you can also create a new account if you are new to BingX. That is how you easily download BingX application on your iOS device. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.